Yeah, it's good. Okay. That's good. Let's do another way. Oh, we can do it great. These guys are the same type of jewels.
Oh, these two are the
Yeah. Hold on, spread those all out first.
Yeah.
Okay, so this one goes
3 and then 4, but then
I found.
this one goes over here. This one has 4. Are you gonna put them in like an order of what kind of egg it is, like the colors and the outlook thing and the design? Well, there's he's got this on video. Why don't we try like putting it
Maybe like
Yeah.
there should be like a diamond group or whatever. Like we should do that first and then.
Diamonds. Those type of diamonds are like
So how did you organize that?
So it goes 1, 2,
I get
2, 3, 3, 4, 4, 5, 4, 5, 6, 6, 8, 8, 9, 9, 1, 9, 12, 12, and then
small ones.
yeah, those.
Which one would this be? Because it's kind of like this one. It's kind of like this one.
Okay,
I think it would be this one.
yeah, okay, today, wait, let's do it.
You know mine. Oh, Mr. Spade, look, we noticed something like the bigger ones. 1, 2, 3, 4. So 2, 4, 6, 8.
Why should everything be by side?
And by number.
But is there? Yeah, there's no 2, 3. Is there? Yeah, I think that's right.
Yeah, I think that is right.
And next, for 1 row, I don't think that's.
Then it comes this one.
Goes here.
No, this one.
Then this one. Then this one.
Okay, in this first one, how many rows here? There's 1 row. How many rows here?
2,
And
3,
and 4. How many diamonds per row here?
1,
And
2,
and
3,
and
4.
Good boy.
Oh, this is there. We're done. Yes.
Oh, it's also going I get that.
It goes in like 2 columns. It's this, then 4 columns of the same thing. And then you just move this way. 2, 4, 6, 8.
That would be
3, 6, 9.
1, 2, 3, 5. There's a 5 columns. There is, and there isn't.
You would put it here.
No,
Because it's an oddball. Here, start here.
No. Look at them. Count the number of rows it has. How many rows does it have?
3, so it would go.
It doesn't have 3 rows.
It doesn't have 3. It has 1, 3, 1, 2, 3, 4. It's 5, so it
And
would
how many per row?
3. 3. Wait.
3.
Yeah. 3.
No, for this one, there's 3.
Oh, yeah, 3.
So
So
where would it go?
it would go here.
Good for you.
And this one,
And then this one would go here. And then I got this. And then this one would go. Yeah.
That's 15.
15. So this will go here.
No, but what?
3, 6, 9, 12, 15.
Okay. Yeah.
And then,
Whatever.
what is this? 3, 6, 9, 12, 15? Yeah, okay. No, 1, 2, 3, 4, 6.
Hey, excuse me. I need to put this.
has 1 row. And it has 6 gems. So they each go up. This and this is 4, so you skip this spot and put it here. There will originally be a 5 here, but this is 6. So we put it here. And this is here because these have 3 rows and these each go up. So this one has 4, so this one has 5, so that's where that would go. Each one has 3 rows. This one would go down because
You can explain it for 2 minutes.
Oh, this one will go down because this has 1 row, this has 2 rows, this has 3 rows, this has 4 rows, this is 5 rows.
But I don't understand that other one down there.
The way we're not going to end. Each of these, this row, all of them have 3 in each row. And same thing with this one.
What about that one?
We put that there. We weren't really sure, but we saw the pattern on it, so we put it here.
Well, how many rows does it have?
3.
But you're putting it under one. Should it be up there? Yeah.
Oh yeah.
Goes there. I don't even. So how much does it? 1, 4, 8, 12, 9, 12 plus 4, 16.
Shivot, you might place this other one first. That's I think might be a little bit easier. Is that where that goes? How many rows does it have?
It has 1, 2, 3, 4, 5,
No,
6,
how many
7,
rows?
8, 9,
How many rows?
10, 11, 12. Oh, it has 4. 5.
No, it doesn't have 4. It has
Oh,
5.
5.
And how many per row?
It has 3. It has 3 per row.
So where'd it go?
It would go into this room. It would go into this room because it has a 5.
Like down here. Okay, so this one, so this is the row, so 1, 2, 3, 4, and then this is 5 because these 2 are almost like half jewels, so we put them together.
Yeah.
And then so if
And then
are
it's
together,
all the
then
jewels
3,
in 1 row, so
then
they had
2,
to go
3,
in the first
4, 5. So total that's 5. So 4 then 5, right?
Everybody
And then this one's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 in each row. So and it has 3 rows, so we put those here. And then this one has 5 rows, so we put that as its own row. And it has 3 in each row, so we put it in the third column. But it's like it has its own. You would need 2 more in order to complete the whole like row. But since it has so many 5.
But I want to know about that one.
This one is an unstable man-made element.
How many rows does it have?
It has 3 rows.
3 rows, that's it.
Does it help you with where it might go? Where would you guess it would go?
In the the periodic table over there, in the lower part, over here. Right? Because those are all man-made elements, I think. Am I correct?
I think so, yeah.
Yeah, and so I think it would go down there.
More than the other one in each row. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5.
Great. 1 more. Or 2 more. Seth, where does it go?
This one would go here because there's 1. It would actually sort of go out here because there would be 1 there. Because this one's 1, 2, 3, 4. Then there'd be a 5, and then this one has 6.
That has 6 to it. Now,
I think it's like a man-made element or an unstable element. So I think it would go on like the bottom of the periodic table. So like there's 7 rows in the top, and then there's 2 extra at the bottom. So I think it would go in there in that area.
Marco?
I think it's a wild guess, but I think it might be an isotope.
What does that mean, isotope?
When you add more electrons.
Neutrons?
Neutrons?
Yeah, so you make it heavier. It's the same thing, but you add more neutrons to it.
You add more neutrons to the element, maybe?
So maybe is that the same as, which one is it similar to in the table we have
Well,
here?
similar to this one, but it's not the same. It's 7 and 6.
But it has an additional few in the center.
Yeah,
Right.
so maybe these can be neutrons.
Any other opinions? Neve, what do you think?
Where is it again? Okay. Anyway, well, I agree with. I agree with both the 2 Marcos that have already talked. Give already, but also I kind of think like this maybe is. This is a wild guess, but I think this is maybe like what's it called?
No. Can you come back to me?
Which one is it most similar to in the table here?
I'd say maybe that one. That one has a lot. It has not lots of, but it has more gems there. But can you just go back to me because
Sure.
I have
Aiden, sorry. You're gonna have to squeeze in here, I think. How about coming over to this side next to Audrey?
take a seat. I won't wait, I promise.
Well, I was thinking it might go right here, and these, because it could be an isotope, and these could be like extra or something, or if it is like a different kind of element, these two could be like extra, and this is the only row maybe, so it would be 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and that would fill in for the space right here too, because it would be 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6.
So the ones that were added would be these up here.
Yeah.
Not the ones on the other side. Interesting. Let's have 2 more views, and Lyric is first. What do you think?
I guess this is a guess, but I think that it would go right there because it kind of matches all of those diamonds. Like,
You're looking at the shape of the diamond.
yeah, it's kind of like it's bigger, and it has. Yeah.
Isabel?
Well, I think this doesn't go in any of the. I agree with the Marcos on
The Marcos.
Yeah, it's just the Marcos.
on both of the answers. But our group debated and agreed that this one would go here because this each has 3 rows and this has 3 rows. So we agreed that it would go right here, even though that this still exists, even though that's still there.
Last, Kita, what do you think?
Well, one of my theories is that it's a atom that connected with 2 other atoms, like 2 hydrogen atoms. So they're so I think that the gems are like electrons, and that those 2 gems are like being shared between those 2 atoms.
Interesting.
And yeah, I don't want to say my other
So,
theory. It's stupid.
Well, I agree with Marco S. because I think it goes down here somewhere. Because it might be on the bottom. And then also, someone said it might have gone here. I think it was Aiden or something. I agree with that as well.
So it has in the center.
Because it has 5 in the center there.
Yeah.
So complete that. But it also has, it's like weird. It doesn't have the same amount in each row, which all of those have. So it might be man-made, which would go on.